Today is Wednesday and we're going to cover the 12 months in a year. So this is how you say the 12 months in a year in Tagalog. Let's start with January. That's gonna be Enero. January is Enero in Tagalog. Next, February, that's gonna be Pebrero. Pebrero. And to say March, the month of March in Tagalog is Marso. Marso. April is gonna be Abril. The month of April is Abril. May, to say May in Tagalog, that's Mayo. The month of Mayo. Month of June is Junio. June is Junio. And July, that's Julio. August, that's Agosto. The month of August in Tagalog is Agosto. And September, to say that in Tagalog, that's Setyembre. Setyembre. The month of October is Octubre. Octubre. November, that's Nobyembre. Nobyembre. And the last, which is also my birth month, December, it's Diciembre. December in Tagalog is Diciembre. Okay, let's make a quick review. January is Enero. February is Pebrero. March is Marso. April is Abril. The month of May is Mayo. June is Junio. July is Julio. August is Agosto. September is Setyembre. October is Octubre. November is Nobyembre. And the last, December, is Diciembre. Until next time!